Hi student, good morning. Today I am going to discuss science in your class. I hope all of you are well. Actually, today I am going to take your class, science class. Let's start. The class is started. Okay. I hope all of you are well. Welcome to Luminous preschool online class. Start our class. Today I am going to take science. The topic is plant. Look the board everyone. First of all, we need to understand what is plant. Actually, the autotrophic plant body, all of you know what is plant. You know, plant generally the autotrophic looks like this. Suppose this is a plant body. It has a root system. It is the root system of the plant. This is root. And this portion is called stem. And you also look here, this is a plant body. This is called leaf, and the tip of the plant which bears, this is the tip portion of the stem. Look the stem. Stem is the upper part of the plant body and root is the lower part of the plant body. Actually, we need to understand what is the function of root. Root actually function as a absorbing organ. All of you know this is the root system which absorbs water and the nutrition also. Whereas the leaf is the upper part of the stem. You know, leaf is the upper part of the stem, and here actually the stem is the upper part where leaves are growing. Now I discuss the function of leaf. You know, all of you know, leaf is the green part of the plant body and photosynthetic. So the leaf is the kitchen room of the plant. Actually, leaf is the photosynthetic organs of the plant body, and in this plant body actually leaf photosynthesis generally occurs on leaf. So look the next part, the green leaf of the plant. Suppose this is the leaf portion of the plant, this is the apex of the leaf. It has a main vein that called midrib or main vein, and presence of secondary vein. So this is a complete leaf. All of you look, actually the leaf has a leaf base, and look here, it has a leaf base. Which portion is called leaf base? This is the portion actually called the leaf base. The leaf base. All of you look, the leaf generally green and photosynthetic Next, types of plants. Today I am going to discuss the types of plant. Look everybody, the types of plants. Actually, according to height, we can say the plants are of three types. Number one, tree. Number two, shrubs. Number three, the herbs. Look here, the tree, which is the tallest plant in our plant kingdom. Tree, generally the height of the tree actually the tree generally the height is highest, tallest, timber producing, so you can say this is tree. Below the tree actually the shrubs, below the tree actually the shrubs, shrubby plants generally called a height which is below the plant body, called shrubs. And the herbs, actually the herbs which is the smallest part of the plant. So students, look here, three types of plants are present. Actually on the basis of height, this is tree like, this is shrubs, this is herbs, and so on. The next portion of the plant, look here. Now I discuss actually the flower. Flower is the most interesting part. Suppose looks here, it is a flower and you know the most beautiful part of the plant body, we can say the reproductive part also. Suppose it is a flower of the plant. Look here, the flower portion of the plant. A single flower has a calyx. This portion, actually the calyx, the green part of the flower. Most of the flower has a green part that called calyx. You know, it is called the stalk of the plant flower, and the color part of the flower, actually the corolla, this is known as the corolla, but actually it is the color part of the flower. So flower is the modified part of the stem. You know, flower is the modified part of the stem. It develops at the tip of the plant body. Generally, the beautiful part of the plant, actually it develops at the tip of the plant. Suppose it is a plant, body, and the tip of the plant actually bears the modified portion that called flower. So flower is the part which is the modified part of the stem. So flower consists of two parts generally. From morphologically, the outer green part actually called calyx, and the inner part that is the color part, that is the corolla. So this is a beautiful flower. Look here, all of you. You look the board. Here it is a plant body. It has different types of flower. Look here, everybody. Actually, this is the flower garden. Here the top of the portion actually called the flower, and this is the stem. Look here, this is the stem, and leaves are developing on stem. So generally flower is the most beautiful part of the plants. The next portion, we know, on the basis of nature, actually we can classify the plant body into different types. Suppose